What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go to our friend Cardano. Currently we're sitting at 49 cents, down 7.14 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 16.57 billion. 24-hour volume 1.3 billion. All right, let's hop into the charts. We're gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. So in our previous ADA video, we dropped in this yellow box for a wave 3. And I told you guys to look for a wave 3 rejection from this level, and that's exactly what we've seen. However, we broke below the 0.5. You can see right here where the Fibonacci pulled from the bottom of the wave 2 up to the top of the wave 3, came all the way down to the 0.618. So that does invalidate this as a wave 4 pullback, as the maximum retracement is the 0.5 in most cases. So what we have to look at here is that we've already completed a 5-wave structure. So what we may be looking at is that we've come up in a wave 1. This was a wave 2 pullback. This was a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. This completed wave 1 right here. And then we had our wave 2 pullback. And all of this was your wave 3 right here, where we came up wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, somewhere in here. This was your wave 4 pullback. And we completed a 5-wave structure to complete the larger wave 1. And now we put in a wave 2 pullback where we've come up here and we've made, I'm gonna make this larger, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Let's quickly open this up and we'll, no, that's a little bit too big. Sure. All right, guys, so this is potentially what I'm looking at, is that this was a wave 1. We've completed a wave 1 to the upside. If we take our fib retracement from the bottom to the top, you can see we've come down to the 0.5, almost down to the 0.5. Let me just fix this up a little bit here. Yeah, we basically come right down to the 0.5, which is typical for a wave 2 pullback. In between the 0.5, the 0.618, it can come all the way down to the 0.786. So if you see Cardano start to roll here, then we could definitely see a bounce off about 0.459. But as of right now, we've seen a nice little bounce off about 0.47. So this is your wave 2 bounce zone. We'll drop it in here. Technically, a wave 2 can retrace up to 99% of wave 1. But it's obviously a little bit more risky when that kind of thing happens. So hopefully we can see a bounce off this level. Now to measure our wave 3, what we can do here is take our trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top of wave 1 down to the bottom of wave 2. If we bounce off the 0.5 here, then you target the 1.618 for your wave 3 all the way up at about 70 cents. And then you would see your wave 4 pullback and your final wave 5 to complete a larger wave 1 and a possible reversal in the trend here for ADA in the short term. I do think there's one more wave down in the market personally, but we could definitely see a nice rally for our friend Cardano. And that wave count would basically bring you all the way up to a major level of resistance that you can't see here. Because my Airbnb internet is so trash. You can see there's a lot of support in this area, support here. So that's a major level at about 80 cents, which kind of lines up with our wave count here for Cardano. So if we bounce, we come up and break this wave 1 high, I would expect you to push all the way up to the wave 3 at about 73 cents. Once we come up and break that wave 1 high, we'll drop in a yellow box here. But until then, we can still come down to the golden ratio before seeing a bounce to the upside. To invalidate that, we have to come all the way down and break this wave 1 low at about 40 cents. Now, if we pop over to the daily, we've been watching this pattern here, which is basically a descending triangle, which we broke out to the upside. It is a bearish pattern, but it can break up to the upside. We do have nice reversal volume here, bullish divergence. So there's definitely a good chance we could see a breakout that could take you all the way up here to about 82 cents for Cardano. Now, if we were to roll over and this is a bullish fake out, we come down, we lose these lows, get a downside target that would bring you down here to about 24 cents. For ADA. I think that's basically it for this one. Just a quick little update. If we come up and break this wave 1 high, confirms that we put in that wave 2 pullback. We're looking for a wave 3 that could take you all the way up here to about 71 cents. See that wave 4 pullback, final wave 5. And the way to invalidate that is to come all the way down and lose the low at about 40 cents for Cardano. That's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, currently making some juicy profits on our trades for Matic as well as Gala. It's only $10 a month. I'm going to crank it up to about $25 a month at the end of July going into August. If you get in now at the $10 membership, you'll have access at $10 a month for as long as you please until you choose to unless you leave the group and then you try to re-enter, you'd have to upgrade your membership to the $25 a month. So just a couple more weeks of the $10 a month membership. So you can get in now if you'd like while supplies last and stay at the $10 membership, as I do believe I'll be raising it up to about 25 bucks a month at the end of July. We also have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and my leverage trade signals, my spot trade signals, what I'm doing with my HODL all plays, all coming in at $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.